Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Brita Filter Refills is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the pristine quality of your drinking water, ensuring every sip is as refreshing and pure as the first. As a consumer advocate and product reviewer, my mission is to cut through the noise and bring you the most reliable and effective solutions for your home, and today, we're diving deep into what makes these specific filter refills stand out in a crowded market, helping you make an informed decision for your health and your wallet. Number 5. Brita Standard Water Filter 4 Count. Enjoy great tasting water with our certified replacement filters. They are designed to reduce impurities like chlorine, copper, and mercury for cleaner tap water. Each filter lasts for approximately 2 months or 40 gallons. A helpful indicator will let you know exactly when it's time for a replacement. Make a difference by replacing up to 300 single-use plastic bottles with just one filter pack. Save money and reduce plastic waste every year. These filters are designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, except for the stream model. Simply insert and start enjoying fresh water immediately. Experience cleaner tasting water at a much lower cost than bottled water. Our filters are certified to reduce common impurities for your peace of mind. No pre-soaking is required. Just insert the filter into your Brita system and start enjoying delicious, filtered water right away. What we like? This filter is certified to reduce common impurities like copper and mercury. If you're looking for a reliable, certified filter that fits all your Brita pitchers and dispensers, except stream, this is a great choice. It's designed for ease of use with no pre-soak required, making it simple to get great tasting water immediately. What people say. The Brita filter refills are effective at reducing chlorine taste and odor from tap water. These filters are easy to install and replace in Brita pitchers. The filters are designed to last for approximately 40 gallons or 2 months, whichever comes first. Number 4. AQUA CREST CF06A Replacement Filter. Enjoy peace of mind with our NSF certified water filter. It's certified to reduce chlorine and is made with lead-free materials, ensuring every sip is safe and pure. Experience a high and stable water flow rate thanks to its outstanding filtration. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, it guarantees every drop is pure and clean. This filter is designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, excluding specific models. It's a perfect replacement for your existing Brita filters. Our advanced 4-stage filtration system, featuring coconut shell-activated carbon and ion exchange resin, effectively reduces chlorine, rust, taste, odor, and sediments for cleaner water. Enjoy optimal performance for up to 40 gallons, based on NSF certification. It provides great-tasting purified water while helping you reduce plastic waste. This convenient 6-pack provides a full year of filter supply, ensuring you always have access to clean, great-tasting water. What we like? This option offers a 4-stage filtration process for maximum purity and a high flow rate, ensuring you get clean water quickly. If you're looking for a bulk supply and value consistent, fast filtration, this 6-pack is an excellent choice. It's designed to provide a year's worth of filtered water, reducing both waste and the frequency of filter changes. What people say. The Brita filter refills are effective at reducing chlorine taste and odor in tap water, making it taste cleaner and fresher. These filters are easy to install and replace in Brita pitchers, requiring no special tools or complicated steps. The filters have a long lifespan, typically lasting for about 2 months or 40 gallons of water before needing replacement, which is convenient for regular use. Number 3. Brita Stream Replacement Water Filter. Enjoy great tasting water instantly with our innovative filtration system. It works as you pour, so there's no waiting required. This filter effectively removes over 90% of chlorine taste and odor. You'll get clean, refreshing water every time you pour. Each filter lasts for about 2 months or 40 gallons of use. A helpful indicator will let you know when it's time for a replacement. By using this filter, you can replace up to 300 single-use plastic bottles. It's a sustainable way to stay hydrated while reducing waste. These filters are exclusively designed for Brita stream pitchers and dispensers. They are certified to reduce chlorine and particulates for your peace of mind. Simply replace the filter every 2 months or 40 gallons. It's a hassle-free way to ensure you always have filtered water on hand. What we like? Experience the convenience of instant filtered water with its unique AQUA filtration system. If you own a Brita Stream pitcher and value immediate access to clean water without any waiting, this filter is specifically designed for you. It ensures great tasting water on demand, perfect for busy individuals or households. What people say. The Brita Filter Refills are effective at reducing chlorine taste and odor in tap water. These filters are easy to install and replace in Brita pitchers. The filters are designed to last for approximately 40 gallons or 2 months, whichever comes first. Number 2. Commercial Cool Water Filter Replacement CCWFB6. Ensure your loved ones drink safe water. Our premium replacement filters are made with BPA-free, all-natural materials to reduce harmful contaminants like copper and mercury. Tired of that chlorine taste? These filters reduce chlorine's taste and odor, giving you crisp, refreshing water perfect for drinking, cooking, and your favorite beverages. Getting great tasting water is effortless. Just soak, rinse, and insert the filter into your pitcher. It's a quick and simple process. Designed to fit most standard water filter pitchers, including popular Brita models. Enjoy cleaner water without needing a new pitcher. This 6-pack provides up to a year of filtered water, assuming replacement every 60 gallons or 2 months. Save money and reduce plastic waste. Our filters are NSF certified, guaranteeing their performance and safety. You can trust that they effectively reduce contaminants for healthier hydration. What we like. This filter boasts a longer lifespan, lasting up to 60 gallons, and comes in a 6-pack that can provide a year's supply. If you're seeking a cost-effective solution with extended filter life, this is an ideal pick. It's designed for those who want to minimize filter replacements and maximize savings over time. What people say. The Brita Filter Refills are effective at reducing chlorine taste and odor from tap water. These filters are easy to install and replace in Brita pitchers. The filters are designed to last for approximately 40 gallons or 2 months, whichever comes first. Number 1. Fil-Fresh 3-pack water filter replacements. Experience advanced water purification. Our filters are certified by NSF ANSI 53 and 42, ensuring they reduce harmful heavy metals and improve taste and odor. Designed for a seamless fit with most Brita pitchers and dispensers. Replacing your old filter is straightforward and hassle-free. Enjoy cleaner, safer drinking water thanks to our multi-stage filtration system. It effectively removes particles, chlorine, and heavy metals. Each filter provides up to 2 months or 40 gallons of crisp, clean water. Save money and reduce plastic waste with this cost-effective solution. Swapping out your old filter is quick and easy, requiring no tools. Get back to enjoying great tasting water in no time. Rest assured, our filters are BPA-free, prioritizing your health and well-being with every sip. What we like. This filter is certified to NSF ANSI 53 and 42, meaning it reduces not only taste and odor but also health-related heavy metals. If your priority is enhanced health protection and you're looking for a filter that goes beyond basic chlorine reduction, this multi-stage filtration option is the one to consider. It provides cleaner, safer, and great-tasting drinking water. What people say. The Brita Filter Refills are effective at reducing chlorine taste and odor in tap water. These filters are easy to install and replace in Brita pitchers. The filters help to improve the overall taste and quality of drinking water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.